my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So I know this is a different type of video, but if you're new to my channel and if you scroll down my timeline, you will probably notice some videos where I've done some skincare reviews in the past. And I realized that it's been almost 2 years since I've done a skincare related video on my channel, and today I wanted to share with you guys my skincare nighttime routine and all the products that I've been using for the last few months, probably since October, November of last year, that has really helped my skin so much. And it's not so much a review of the products, I just wanted to share with you guys all the products that I've been using that I've been really loving. And the key ingredient to everything that I've been using is vitamin C. And vitamin C is so good for your skin. It really helps to even out the skin tone and to really diminish the appearance of dark marks on your skin. And that's something that I was really struggling with last year. And I found these products and they're really reasonable, they're really affordable, and I've been using them, like I said, and it's really helped my skin. So I just wanted to share my nighttime skincare routine with all of you. So just so you know, I'm not being sponsored by any of these products. This is my honest opinion about everything that I'm using. So I just wanted to put that out there. And also, if you hear a little bit of noise, it's been really windy today, so, and it's really kicking up outside. So if you hear something, then that's what it is. So anyway, let's get started because I'm really excited to show you guys what I've been using. So I do have a little bit of makeup on, and I definitely want to take this off. Never go to bed with your makeup. It's the worst thing you can do for your skin. So in order to do that, I definitely use some makeup wipes. And you guys, I do not like to spend a whole lot of money on makeup wipes. And I got these from Marshall's, and I think they're less than $2 or something like that. And they do contain vitamin C and also vitamin E and aloe vera, and they work just as good as any other makeup wipe as far as I'm concerned. I like to use makeup wipes because I do not like to use, towels, because you just don't want to mess up your towels. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is take off my makeup by using some makeup wipes. And also, to help take my makeup off, I like to use this Garnier micellar water, and this is the one that contains the vitamin C. So all I do is just squirt a little, or squirt some on my makeup wipe, and just continue taking off my makeup. It just makes it come off a lot easier. Now, once I'm done with my makeup wipes, I like to put that away, and I like to use my makeup eraser towel. And I can't remember where I got this. In fact, I think it was a gift, and I'm not really sure where they got this, but I love this towel because it's not only soft, it's really gentle on your skin, and I use it specifically to take the eye makeup, off of my eyes. And you really have to be really gentle with when taking off your eye makeup, because the skin around your eyes is really sensitive. And even I've been really guilty of being rough around my eyes whenever I take my makeup off, but I really make an effort to really be gentle, and this towel eraser is really great. So I definitely like to use this every night. Okay, so now I'm ready to start cleansing my skin, and the product I've been using lately has been the Olay Vitamin C Peptide 24 Brightening Facial Cleanser. And this cleanser is really cool because it acts both as a cleanser and an exfoliator. And if you feel the cream, it has little tiny microbeads, and it's very tiny, very gentle. You can use it every day, and it not only does it cleanse your skin, but it also exfoliates it, and it really takes away the dead skin, to really brighten up your skin and to even up your skin complexion. So yeah, I've been using this lately and I've been really loving it. And this cleanser also has a very nice scent to it. It's not too strong, so it shouldn't irritate your skin. And the thing about Olay, they have an entire line of vitamin C products that I'm still excited to use. The cleanser is the only thing that I'm using so far. So now I'm just going to take a regular towel and I'm just going to pat my skin dry. I usually like to just pat my skin, not just rub it constantly, because you don't want to drag your skin around. Okay, so my skin is nice and clean and it feels nice and soft, and I really think it has to do with those exfoliating beads in that cleanser. That's why I really love that cleanser so much. So let's move on to the next step. My next step is, so I've been using this vitamin C dark spot serum, and most of the products that I'm going to be using I bought from Marshall's, and Marshall's is a really great place to go find some really good skincare, and is really affordable. So while I was there, I saw this vitamin C dark spot serum. I think it was less than $6, and like I said, vitamin C is really good for diminishing dark spots on your face. And my entire life, I've always had to deal with, you know, really dark circles around my eyes. I don't know if you guys can really tell on the camera, but I really have these dark marks under my eyes, and I've something I've had to deal with my entire life. So what I like to do with my serum is I like to really concentrate and put in the serum on this part of my face. And I'm just going to take my fingers and just pat it all around my face. Instead of rubbing, again, I just like to pat my skincare into my face. And I just want to add a little bit to my neck. You guys, never forget your neck. Please don't forget your neck when you're doing your skincare. Your neck is very important. Make sure whenever you apply your skincare, make sure that it's completely absorbed into your skin. If it's still moisture in your skin, just wait until your skin has fully absorbed the product before you move on to the next step. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is my Pearl Essence Bright Perfecting Facial Oil with Vitamin C. And I have to say, you guys, without a doubt, since I've been using this product since maybe November of last year, I have actually seen a big difference in my skin. This problem area of my face, since I've been using this product, I've actually seen this area lighten up. It's not as dark as it used to be, and I really believe that is due to this product. And the thing about Marshall's is, if you see a product that you like, the next time you go, it may not be there. I mean, I was there a couple of days ago and I couldn't find it. And now I have to wait and go a couple of days from now, or maybe next week. The next time I see this product, I'm definitely got to grab it, because it's been a miracle on my skin. So when applying your skincare, it's good to pat, but when you do rub it in, it's always good to swipe up on your skin, like I'm doing right now, and on your forehead, definitely swipe up. Around your face, swipe up. To really rub it in your skin, and definitely a little bit on your neck. Swipe up. And another thing I love about this facial oil is that it adds extra moisture to my skin. During this time of year, it's cold, the skin is dry, and you really need to add that moisture to your skin. Okay, so moving on to the skin creams. This Pond's Rejuvenous Anti-Wrinkle Cream, it doesn't have any vitamin C, but it's a moisturizer that I've been using forever, and I usually use it during the day, but I also use it now at night because, I mean, why not? And I really love this cream, so I just like to just kind of dab a little bit on my skin and on my neck. And again, Just continue to rub it in and swipe up. And of course I'm going to use a night cream, and the thing about night creams is it's slightly thicker than your average day cream. So the cream that I've been using is this retinol night cream, and again I got it from Marshall's and I think it was around $6. So I've been really loving it, and just going to dab it to my skin and to my neck and rub it in. Do you guys hear that wind outside? It's crazy. It's so windy today. Now the last thing I'm going to use is some eye serum. Now you guys, I don't care what you do, please add some eye cream, eye serum, eye gel, whatever it is, to your skincare routine. And the crazy thing about it is I've only been using eye serum for the last maybe 4 years. It's crazy. And since I've been using it, I've absolutely seen the difference in the texture and just the overall look of how my eyes look. And the eye serum that I've been using is from Marshall's, and it's Azure Collagen and Vitamin C Anti-Aging Eye Serum, and it's for brightening, depuffing, and reducing the sign of wrinkles. And if it's reducing wrinkles, I am all for it. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit on my ring fingers, and I'm going to rub my 2 ring fingers together, and I'm just going to pat around my eyes. All around my eyes. Like I said, you got to treat your eyes very gentle and just lightly pat. Okay guys, so that is it. That is everything that I've been using lately for my nighttime skincare routine, and I've been loving everything so far. My skin has been really responding well, and it's been looking so much better now than it did last year when I was having lots and lots of problems with it. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys everything I've been using, so I really hope you enjoy it. Please give this video a big thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it, and share it. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't worry, I'll be back with more delicious recipes in the coming days. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.